Hi, and welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Evelyn, and in today's video I want to talk about VIVIVA Colorsheets that I was sent from the company to give a try and see how they go. I'm going to do some color swatching in this video. This video is not sponsored. They sent me the spring set as well as the original set. And basically what these color sheets are: compressed watercolor pigment dried basically onto the little pieces of paper, and we're going to open those up and see what those look like. They also sent me a book with watercolor paper in it. Pretty sturdy paper. It painted pretty well, not quite like my Arches paper or any of my other particular favorites that I have. Each one has its differences with color as far as the choices, the spring set versus the original set. I kind of would like to customize a palette. Those that have been painting in watercolor for a while know what I'm talking about. You have colors that you go to, kind of your go-to colors. What I loved about that shininess right there was that they look metallic, but they're not, which is really wild. So I'm going to jump in and mark off my 1-inch sections to do some color swatching. And with these, you can use a water brush, so you really can make it very transportable with a water brush, your palette, and your sketchbook. And so you could just go outside and paint some flowers. Just these little watercolor palettes can go with you anywhere. They're super handy to have for traveling or plein air painting, and the colors are very vibrant. That is what they've got going for them as far as color. They're just really heavily pigmented, very vibrant, very bright. I can say vibrant so many times. It's a great product, but as far as for fine art and my uses, not quite to what I'm used to, I guess is what I should say. So yeah, I would definitely have anyone give it a shot, and I'm going to do a mini tutorial, and I'm going to be posting that fairly soon, so keep an eye out for that if you want to follow along and see how I complete a painting with these VIVIVA color sheets. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video, even though I really won't see you because internet. Cool. Did I miss anything? I don't know. Out.